Yo, what's up Bali? How you guys doing? Apa kabar? And selamat pagi. Rahajeng semang. This video, I'm gonna talk about the visa on arrival. Yes, all about visa on arrival, especially visa on arrival online. And I'm gonna show you how to register, how to do it. Okay, so watch this video until the end. My name is Oki Misa. I'm your host in Bali. I'm gonna get back inside the gym to to keep my body fit. All right, it's raining right now. Look. See you there. Hi guys, how you guys doing? Welcome to What's Up Bali channel, the #1 channel for you to know how to travel to Bali, how to stay in Bali, and condition in Bali now. If you're interested on those, consider to subscribe. Guys, Bali lovers around the world. As I already mentioned earlier on my previous video, now visa on arrival, the e-visa on arrival, or the visa on arrival online now is available. If it's online, that means it's not on arrival anymore, right? Well, anyway, you know, until today, there's 86 countries can get visa on arrival at international airport in Indonesia, including in Bali. So what is visa on arrival? Obviously, it's a visa that you can get at the airport in Bali or in any international airport in Indonesia. You know, that one is called visa on arrival. And visa on arrival can be used for tourism, business talk, government duties, meeting visit, purchase of goods, and transit. But remember, before you apply visa on arrival, in fact, before you apply any visa, visa on arrival, B211A visa, KITAS, before you enter Indonesia, you have to make sure of this. For traveler who's 18 years old and above, you have to show the vaccine certificate digitally and physically, the hard copy. Okay, for those who 18 years old and above. You don't have the vaccine certificate, you have to show letters from doctor, either saying that you cannot get vaccine because of your health condition, or you already have experienced COVID and you have the COVID certificate and letter from doctor saying that you already cured and you're not infectious anymore. And number 2, download and register the Peduli Lindungi application. I already talk about it, how to do it, etc. in this video, in my previous video. I also mentioned it, the link down in description. So make sure you also download and register the Peduli Lindungi app. If you've done all that, then you are ready to apply a visa. You're ready to enter Indonesia. You're ready to enter Bali. However, not all countries can get visa on arrival. Don't ask me why. So you have to make sure if you are citizen of these 86 countries. You can pause this video to see if your country is in it, okay? These 86 countries. If you are a citizen of these 86 countries, then you can apply the visa on arrival for 30 days and then you can extend for another 30 days. So in total, you can stay for 60 days. Okay, my country is not on the list. That means you have to apply the B211A visa online before you leave your country. So for those whose country is not in the list, in the visa on arrival list, or you plan to stay in Indonesia more than 60 days, or you plan to apply KITAS later on, you know, like investor KITAS, working KITAS, freelance visa, etc. You need to apply the B211A visa online. To get that visa, you need a sponsor. That's why people have to apply through the visa agency. Just like me, if you want me to do your B211 visa, send me email. No worries, if you're not sure yet, just send me email. I will help you. The regular process for the B211 visa is 10 business days. Okay, let's continue with the visa on arrival. If you are in the list of countries that can get visa on arrival, I have a good news for you. Some of you can get visa on arrival online. Yep, online, before you leave your country. So when you arrive in Bali, after you pass the health protocol counter, you know, to check the Peduli Lindungi app application, etc., you can just go straight to the immigration. You don't have to line up at the visa on arrival counter. Just go straight on to the immigration counter, just like those who's coming with the B211 visa. Go straight to the immigration counter. But at the moment, as I told you, not all 86 countries can get the visa on arrival online. At the moment, only these 46 countries can get visa on arrival online. Check this out. Check this list out. Who knows your country is in it? If your country is not on the list, that means you still need to get the visa on arrival offline. So you come to Bali, when you arrive at the airport, you get the visa on arrival. But for those who already on that list, on these 46 countries that can get visa on arrival online, this is how to get it. First, go to the molina.imigrasi.go.id. You don't have to write it down. I also mentioned down in the description. You can use your laptop, you can use even your handphone. Then this page will appear. So you see there is some explanation about the visa on arrival online, what you need, what document is required, etc. And if you scroll down, there is apply. Click that button. Then you need to register to be able to log in. It's free. You'll see that there's he asks for your email, and then you put your name, your what is your gender, male or female, and then place of birth, date of birth, a phone number, and then you have to upload your photo. Okay, you have to upload photo, and then they will process it, and you will receive an email from the Office of Immigration like this: Dear Mrs. Blah blah blah, now you already registered to the Molina. It says here pre-arrival registration activation confirmation. Then all you need is just activate, and then press activate to activate your account. Now you're able to log in. Back to the home page. Down below the page, there's a button with apply button. Press that. Then this form will appear, and you have to complete this form. Okay, they're gonna ask about visa type information. Just choose visa on arrival, 30 days, and then the arrival information. Mode of transportation, your flight numbers, your arrival dates, and then your residence information. Your hotel. They will ask resident type. You can choose home if you have a house, or hotel, or they have some selection there. And then the address, and then the province, the city. So that means before you apply this visa on arrival, you have to make sure that you already have a ticket, return ticket, and you already have a place to stay, at least for the first day when you arrive in Bali. That's why, because they will ask your flight number and also your hotel. And then after that, just make a payment. You can pay with Visa, MasterCard, and GCB credit card. So you can pay with all major credit cards. And then check your payment. Once the payment is successful, the electronic visa on arrival, or the EVOA will be processed. You will receive email notification after your EVOA is ready. All you need, just download the electronic visa on arrival when it's done. There you go, the B213. So all you need to do, just show this printout at the immigration counter at the airport. And that's it. And then you're gonna get a little sticker saying this visa is valid until, just like this. So with this, you can stay for 30 days. Now, how to extend your visa on arrival? How to get another 30 days? This is how. You're gonna make 3 visits to the Office of Immigration. The first visit, make sure you bring all documents needed, your passport, and also the printout of your ticket, your return ticket. On that visit, you will get interviewed by the officer, like why you're gonna extend your stay in Indonesia, blah blah blah. And then you have to pay 500,000 Indonesian rupiah for the next 30 days. And then for a couple of days, maybe 5 days, and then you have to go back to immigration office for photo and fingerprints. And then wait again for 5 days, another 5 days more or less, and you have to come back to immigration office to get your passport. The visa is already extended. There you go. 3 visits. Okay, I don't want to make 3 visits. It's so tiring. Okay, I don't want to do an interview. Well, just contact your visa agency, like me, for instance. Then we're gonna pick up your passport. We're gonna submit it for you. So you only need to come once for photo and fingerprints. That's all. No interview, no back and forth 3 times. Yeah, of course you have to pay a little bit more, for the gas, at least back and forth to the immigration. Easy, just send me email. Then you can stay for 60 days. That's it. That's how you to get the visa on arrival online, the EVOA. So you can just go straight to the immigration counter when you arrive at the airport. Okay. Before I end this video, if you want to get international driving license which valid for 5 years, you need driving license to ride a scooter or drive in Bali, in Indonesia. I think it's everywhere. Because if accident happen, even you're right, you are wrong if you don't have a license. And you will have difficulties claiming your insurance if you don't have a license. So if you want to get driving license, just email me. Only 1 day process. Easy. And who knows, you're a digital nomad, you want to stay long in Bali, get the driving license. And I also can help you with local bank account. So if you want to open up a local bank account, maybe make you easy, to order a Gojek, send me email too. And if you're digital nomad, need insurance, it's always important to have insurance since you are far away from home. I mentioned down the link, the safety wings insurance. Yeah, just check down link below in the description. This safety wings, it works in Bali, it works in Indonesia, and especially for digital nomad. You check them out. Alright guys, share this video so more and more people know about how to apply the visa on arrival online, so they can just go straight to the immigration counter, don't need to line up again at the visa on arrival counter. Share this video and hit the subscribe button for those who haven't. Smash the notification bell so you won't miss any update from me regarding how to fly to Bali, how to stay in Bali and condition in Bali now. See you in the island of God. My name is Get Bali Visa, signing off. Stay safe.